Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. We wish you all a very happy Eid festival. Today, let's see how to prepare most delicious, rich and creamy Sheer Kurma. This is traditional recipe which is a must make for festival of Eid. This dessert is made with fine vermicelli cooked in ghee, milk, nuts and dates. Let's see how to prepare this. Here I have 4 to 5 dates soaked in water. Next I have 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts soaked in water, 2 tablespoons of chironji. This is must in Sheer Kurma recipe. 2 tablespoons of pistachios soaked in water, 2 tablespoons of almonds soaked in water. Soak them overnight or in hot water for 30 minutes. Now peel the skin of almonds and chop the nuts. Next here I have fine vermicelli. Crush them with your fingers as much as possible. Now heat a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add chopped nuts, dates, almonds, chironji, pista, cashew nuts. Fry them in the ghee for 2 minutes. Do not roast them until they change their color. Just slightly fry them and transfer them to a bowl and keep them aside. Next, in the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add the crushed vermicelli. Fry them on slow flame for few minutes until they change in color to dark brown color. Now heat a deep dish. Add half liter of full fat whole milk. Allow the milk to boil for 5 minutes. Once the milk is boiled, add half tin of condensed milk. Now mix everything well. You can see change in the color of the milk after adding the condensed milk. Now add fried vermicelli. Now cook the vermicelli in milk for few minutes. When milk turns thick and creamy, add the fried nuts and mix once again. You can see the vermicelli is completely cooked. Next add cardamom powder half teaspoon and mix everything. At this stage you can also add rose water. That's it, our Sheer Kurma is now ready. You can serve it warm or chilled. I love it warm. You can also add sugar as alternative to condensed milk. Adding saffron gives unique flavor to the dessert. You can also add dry rose petals or rose water. Eid is incomplete without Sheer Kurma. Do try this Sheer Kurma recipe for Eid festival and enjoy with your loved ones. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!